Hello. Here I am trying to make a video on these tips. So I haven't made much progress on the trailer because of these tips here. This tip here we've been using, and it's been like sticking on us and jamming on us because we're using flux core wire. We using this instead of using gas because it burns hotter. It's just as good as stick, really. But we had trouble with it, like getting so hot in the tip that, you know, you set it down, you go back to start up, it sticks in the tip. But we thought it was the brake here. We adjusted that. Thought it was a tensioner here. We adjusted that. We hardly had any pressure on that. Then we replaced the liner. Placed the liner in the whip. Then we replaced the whip, and then we took and extended this out, put this on here to hold it. It was already burnt before, don't worry about that, but we put this out so it would hold it. And then we ended up taking and putting a rounded tip on the end. We used the other tips, we tried to spray and everything else, but every time you did a long pass, it would just get stuck in there, and then as soon as you move the whip, it would pop out. So we figured it was the tips, and it turned out it was. So the rounded tip here kind of works better on flux core, and I bet you this would work really good on gas because it doesn't burn as hot. Now I'm just saying this because I'm making a video on this because I think that maybe somebody else had. Well, I look for videos on this, and this is what we're using for round tips, and this is what we use for the gas now. We were using it for flux core, but you know, it just turns out that this is too hot. You know, I'm not saying that, you know, everybody has that problem with these tips, but I'm just putting it out there. If you have that problem where it sticks in after a while, and just move it and it pops out, and keep weld again, it sticks and pops out, and you just switch over to these rounded head ones. You know, they're kind of, I don't know, is it gonna focus for me? Yeah, there it goes. See, rounded. So use these for flux core, and then I guess you can use these for gas. But this is a problem I've been having, and I hope it helps somebody, because I didn't find no videos on it, and I'm going to put on there, you know, MIG welding tips on flux core tips. So we'll try that, see what happens. Other than that, I don't know what to say. So, but anyway, thank you.